Hey guys, I just brought a R32 track car and it's an RB20E manual, deregistered, fucking rust bucket, but yeah, now it's going to be a good practice hack for me and something to learn on and have a bit of fun, get out on the track. Ken has a evergreen and just learn all the basics and stuff on it. She's a little bit, yeah, she's actually quite a bit beat up, pretty rusty, but got it for a good deal, and yeah, we'll get to it anyway. There she is, the RB20E manual R32. Yeah, now she's pretty rusty in here, all that. Oh, out. So weak. It's falling off like breadcrumbs. Motor's good and healthy though. Still runs mint gearbox. So yeah, last time I had a warrant was 2012. It's been off the road for a long time. This is where all the damages at the back. Got some 17x9 multi-stud diesel drifts. Check it out over here though, fucking hell. And perfect for evergreen. We on. This side's not too bad, pretty good over here. So that's where the main damage is, on that side. The rest of the car's all good. Let's have a look at the interior. You still got most of the factory interior. I'll probably be ripping most of it out though. I don't know, see what happens. But yeah, no. It's a mint engine, mint gearbox, low power. Perfect to learn on. Yes, I actually got this for 750 bucks. That was without the wheels. So it didn't have these wheels. The fender that was on here was pretty fucked, and it had no front bumper, so all I've done so far is just put that bumper on, fender, put those wheels on, and just the mirror on the driver's side. Everything else is just how the car was when I got it. So yeah, 700 bucks, fuck, I'm not complaining. Perfect track hack. Yeah, clear. So yeah, I'll just be doing some basic mods to this. Getting the diff welded, cutting the springs, welding them to the shocks, and chucking some adjusties in the front. Fixing the handbrake, adjusting the handbrake. Like to put a hydro in. Also, I'm going to run 30mm spacers all around, front and rear. With the steering, I'm not really going to do much to the steering. I still want to kind of keep it factory, but I might just get some steering rack spacers just to get a little bit more angle than factory, whatnot. For the engine, let's get some new spark plugs, new pod filter, alloy intake pipes, the basics really. Give it a fucking oil change. New oil in the gearbox, diff, whatnot. But yeah, really, I'm just gonna keep it pretty basic, simple, keep it on a budget, so don't really have to spend too much on this. So, but it's all gonna make a big difference. All these little drift mounts will make a big difference. Probably one of the main things on this would be getting rid of the fuel tank here. You can see it's pretty much fucking just off the ground there. One belt holding it there. So I have to rip that out and get a new fuel tank and mount it inside the boot behind the rear seats. But yeah, just the basics on this, and yeah, beyond heaps of fun. Yeah, so if you guys like to just keep up with my drift build and what I get up to on the cars, just hit that subscribe button, the like button, and yeah, catch you on the next one. Cheers.
Baby, come give me something. Baby, come give me something.